This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
When it comes to pricing, Markets.com does not operate on a traditional published fee table with clearly itemized costs up front. Instead, the platform positions itself heavily around promotional incentives, rather than fixed, openly displayed pricing. Rather than emphasizing standard spread or commission schedules on its main pricing pages, Markets.com highlights first deposit promotions, bonuses, rebates, and reward programs designed to attract new clients. These offers often include deposit-based bonuses, first trade incentives, and trading rebates that scale based on trading volume, all governed by specific terms and conditions. Because of this structure, the true cost of trading on Markets.com is primarily embedded within spreads, overnight financing charges, and instrument-specific costs rather than presented as transparent, line-by-line pricing. Traders should understand that promotional bonuses are typically not withdrawable as cash until predefined trading volume requirements are met. While bonuses can often be used for margin support or to offset losses, they generally cannot be withdrawn directly, meaning they function more like conditional trading credit rather than actual account equity. This makes Markets.com appear attractive at the entry stage, but requires careful attention to bonus conversion rules to avoid misunderstandings later. Feature-wise, Markets.com is built as a multi-asset CFD trading platform aimed at retail traders who prioritize simplicity and broad market exposure. Users can trade Forex, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and bonds from a single environment. The platform supports web-based trading, mobile applications, and MetaTrader integration for traders who prefer a more traditional execution setup. It also includes built-in charting tools, technical indicators, economic calendars, sentiment data, and core risk management features such as stop loss and take profit order. There is a strong emphasis on accessibility and user experience with clean interface design, relatively fast onboarding, and educational material geared toward newer traders. Markets.com also focuses heavily on leveraged CFD trading, allowing traders to control larger positions with smaller capital, which can amplify both potential gains and potential losses. On the pro side, Markets.com offers an easy entry experience, attractive promotional incentives, a polished and beginner-friendly interface, and access to a wide range of global CFD markets from a single platform. It suits traders who want convenience, visual clarity, and a streamlined trading workflow. On the con side, pricing transparency is limited, with most trading costs embedded in spreads rather than clearly published pricing tables. Bonus structures can be restrictive, withdrawals may be tied to trading volume requirements, and more advanced traders may find the platform less flexible or customizable than execution-focused or institutional-style trading solutions. For traders who prioritize precise cost control and execution efficiency, the promotional pricing model may feel less predictable than commission-based alternatives, especially over longer-term or higher volume trading strategies. In contrast, Fortrade approaches pricing in a more traditional and structured manner, with trading conditions published clearly across asset classes. Fortrade operates as a CFD broker, offering access to Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and digital assets, with pricing primarily built into spreads rather than commission-based ECN execution. Spreads are defined per instrument category, and margin requirements and leverage ratios are published transparently. Fortrade's pricing model focuses on stability rather than ultra-tight spreads. Forex pairs generally carry wider average spreads compared to raw ECN accounts, but those spreads are designed to remain consistent even during volatile market conditions. Indices, commodities, and stock CFDs each have defined average spreads and margin requirements, allowing traders to estimate trading costs more predictably. Overnight swap rates apply to leveraged positions and are clearly disclosed, including triple swap policies for midweek rollovers. From a feature standpoint, Fortrade emphasizes reliability and simplicity. The platform supports MetaTrader 4 alongside its proprietary web-based trading platform, enabling traders to access markets across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Charting tools are straightforward, execution is stable, and order handling is designed to be smooth even during high-impact news events. The focus is less on advanced customization and more on consistent trade execution and ease of use. Fortrade also places strong emphasis on trader education. The platform integrates educational resources, market analysis, and structured learning materials designed to help traders understand leverage, margin, and risk management. This makes it particularly appealing to traders who value clarity and structure over aggressive promotional marketing. On the pro side, Fortrade offers clearly published trading conditions, stable spreads, predictable execution, and a platform experience that prioritizes reliability. Many traders appreciate the consistency during volatile sessions, the straightforward pricing model, and the emphasis on risk awareness rather than incentives. On the con side, Fortrade may feel less attractive to traders who seek ultra-tight spreads, advanced execution controls, or promotional bonuses. The platform does not attempt to gamify trading, and its interface is more functional than visually modern. Traders looking for institutional style customization or rebate-driven trading may find it conservative by comparison. In terms of user feedback, Markets.com currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.8 out of 5, with reviewers often highlighting helpful customer support, a clean interface, and ease of use, while some mention concerns around platform behavior and cost transparency. Fortrade currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.1 out of 5, with many users praising stable spreads, smooth execution, calm trading conditions during news events, and responsive support, while a smaller number mention limitations in built-in indicators or platform flexibility. Final takeaway: if your priority is an all-in-one trading experience with broad market access, integrated analysis tools, and a polished interface designed for convenience, Markets.com fits that role well. If your focus is structured pricing, stable execution, predictable spreads, and a platform built around discipline rather than promotions, Fortrade offers a more traditional trading environment. These platforms serve different trading mindsets. Choose Markets.com for accessibility and breadth. Choose Fortrade for consistency and clarity. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that actually matches how you trade, manage risk, and stay focused over the long term.